Good day, everyone. Welcome to our English class. Today, we are going to talk about the direct and reported speech. Are you ready? Let's begin. To begin with, let's define direct speech. A direct speech is a sentence, statement, or a thought in its original form. The original statement of the speaker that is enclosed with the quotation marks or speech marks. Now, let's look at these examples. My friend is an architect. Now, to form a direct speech, just repeat the exact statement of the speaker and add an introductory part. My friend is an architect, Johnny said. Another example, we love studying. Chris and John said, we love studying. Let's proceed with the indirect speech, or also known as reported speech. A reported speech is a sentence that expresses the content of a statement without using quotation marks. Examples: my friend is an architect. The indirect speech is, Johnny said that his friend was an architect. We love studying. Chris and Joan said that they loved studying. Now that we know the differences between direct and reported speech, let's have a challenge. Identify if the following sentences are direct or reported speech. Are you ready? Let's do this. He said that he was a nurse. What do you think is the answer? Very good. It is a reported speech. Number 2, I'm a nurse, he said. The answer is direct speech. Number 3, I am going out, Matt said. The correct answer is direct speech. Number 4, she said that Paula had done it. Very good. It is a reported speech. And number 5, he said he was going out. And the answer is reported speech. Congratulations! You got it all correct. Now, we are going to discover the rules in changing direct to reported speech. Rule number 1. The quotation marks and the comma are no longer used in the reported speech. Example: grandmother teaches me how to bake, Beth said. Notice that it is enclosed with quotation marks, and we use a comma to separate the quoted part from the introductory part. Now, to change this into reported speech, we are going to remove the quotation marks and the comma. Beth said that her grandmother taught her how to bake. Rule number 2. Follow the format of the introductory words in the reported speech. Noun or pronoun plus the word said. Example: grandmother teaches me how to bake, Beth said. Notice that if we change this into reported speech, we are going to copy the introductory part, which is the noun Beth plus the word said. Beth said that her grandmother taught her how to bake. Another example: parrots are smart birds, she said. Notice that the introductory part we use the phrase she said. Therefore, if we're going to change this into reported speech, we are also going to use she said. She said that parrots were smart birds. Rule number 3. The word that is used to introduce the reported statement. Example: grandmother teaches me how to bake, Beth said. Beth said that her grandmother taught her how to bake. Number 4. The verb form is changed in the direct speech to the reported speech. If your verb is in the present tense, you have to change it into the past tense. Example: Dad teaches me how to swim, Sheila said. Sheila said that her dad taught her how to swim. The verb in the present tense, teaches, will be changed into the past tense once we change the statement to reported speech. Other examples: the child knows the answer, Betty said. Betty said that the child knew the answer. The fisherman catches fish, the boatman said. The boatman said that the fisherman caught fish. If your verb is in the past tense, you have to change it into the past perfect tense. Example: grandmother taught me how to cook, Sheila said. Sheila said that her grandmother had taught her how to cook. Your verb taught, which is in the past tense, was changed into the past perfect tense, had taught. Other examples: the child knew the answer, Betty said. Betty said that the child had known the answer. The fisherman caught fish, the boatman said. The boatman said that the fisherman had caught fish. Now, if your verb is in the present or future modals, change them into past modals. Examples: I can dance, the girl said. The girl said that she could dance. The visitor may come in our school, the teacher said. The teacher said that the visitor might come in their school. Another example: they will clean the classroom, Peter said. Peter said that they would clean the classroom. Now let's study the table of modals here. The present and future modals are can, may, will, and shall. If we use these present or future modals in our quoted part, we have to change them into past modals, which are could, would, might, and should. And for the last rule, the pronoun also changes. Example: our friend is sick and he stays at home, Jay said. Jay said that their classmate was sick and he stayed at home. Other examples: we visited our classmate in the hospital, Ben said. Ben said that they had visited their classmate in the hospital. You can do this, my classmate said. My classmate said that he could do that. Now we also have rules in changing reported to direct speech. Number 1. Analyze and underline the thought of the sentence. Example: the class monitor said that the students were all present. The underlined words is the thought of the sentence. Number 2. Capitalize the letter of the first word of the underlined word, and close quotation marks and put comma before the close quotation. Example, the students were all present. Number 3, change the verb past tense to present tense, past perfect tense to past tense. Example, the students were all present. The answer, the students are all present. We also have to change the modals that we use from past to present or future modal. Example, the girl said that she could dance. The answer, the girl said that she can dance. Note that you have to replace the pronoun she with the pronoun I in the sentence. The girl said that she could dance. I can dance. After doing all the steps, add noun or pronoun plus the word said, then put a period. Example, the students are all present, the class monitor said. Another example, I can dance, the girl said. Now, let's try this. Get a piece of paper and let's try to change the following direct speech into reported speech and vice versa. Are you ready? We can do this. Number 1. Ben said, I brought 5 apples. Change this direct speech into reported speech. The answer is, Ben said that he had brought 5 apples. Number 2. I like to eat rice, Oscar's son said. The answer is, Oscar's son said that he liked to eat rice. Number 3. Jose stated that the team was ready to play. The answer is, Jose stated the team is ready to play. Number 4. His son pointed out that he was happy when his classmates had visited him. Our answer, I am happy when my classmates visited me, his son pointed out. And for the last number, Jessa said that she fed her pet. The correct answer, I feed my pet, Jessa said. Congratulations! I hope you are all able to apply the rules in changing direct speech into reported speech and vice versa. Thank you for watching and listening. I'll see you again. This is your Maestra Mela, always at your service.